In this video, we will show you how to replace your steering stabilizer shock on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly along the front of your front differential. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Make your way safely under the front of your vehicle. We'll be locating that stabilizer shock. To remove this, we'll start over at the side that's attached to the front differential. You'll find that you have a 15mm headed bolt that comes through from the rear of the shock all the way out towards the front. On the front, you have an 18mm nut. We'll be holding that bolt head with a wrench and then just use a socket for the nut. There's our mounting nut. Slide the bolt out of there. We'll be giving these a quick inspection. We will be reusing them. Let's follow that stabilizer shock all the way over to the far end, and we'll use an 18mm to remove this nut. Just start this back on here a couple threads. At this point, we can give this a couple loving bonks to break it free, and then we'll remove it from the vehicle. Pull this out of here. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for our installation. We'll be paying attention to the mounting stud. You'll find that one side of it is a little beveled here. We want to make sure that we have this side, the opposite of the beveled side, going into that steering stabilizer shock or damper. To do that, we'll use a little bit of high temperature lubricant here just to help that slide into place. Now we can continue on. We'll just slide this right on through here. Install your washer and the mounting nut. The next thing we'll do is just use a 22mm nut or 7/8. We'll hold the stud. Use an 18mm on the nut here. We'll snug it up and then torque that to 35 foot-pounds. Now we can start mounting this in the vehicle. We'll start down where it connects to the front differential. We'll align the mounting holes, start that mounting bolt through from the rear towards the front. Start the mounting nut on there. At this point, we'll pause here, make our way to the other side. At this point, you might either need to pull this towards the driver's side or the passenger side to get it aligned with its mounting point. Get the washer on there, our locking nut. Now we can bottom this out and torque it to 35 foot-pounds as well. While you're trying to tighten this, continue using your 7/8 or 22mm wrench right in this area. We'll be holding that stud. On this end, we'll be using our 15mm to hold the bolt head, 18mm to snug this, and then torque it to 70 foot-pounds. Okay friends, we fully installed our steering stabilizer damper. At this point, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.